Hey ho, Kermit the Frog here. Oh wait, no, I'm not Kermit the Frog. Hey ho, this is Chaos with Kamikaze. I'm not Kermit the Frog. I might have been a good Kermit the Frog if that means. Just thought I'd do a little stream today. I am working on a copy of my vanilla Minecraft world in very, very dark. I guess you guys can see okay. About as well as I can. I've got the gamma turned up a little bit for you guys. And I am working on my glass that goes through to a very black box that another Minecrafter, Havoc Movie, is going to be working on a castle in there to surround our nether hub that he's been working on, which actually looks pretty cool. Actually, let's just go through the ceiling. Like I said, this copy of the world, I'm in creative, kind of just playing around with shapes and such. But we got some railway lines that are encased in glass so you can see what's going on. A lot of golems on the ceiling because right now we have a pigment infestation because that's how things spawn. But yeah, this whole nether hub here, which is everything close to our spawn town, is built by him. It actually looks pretty cool inside. Let me go into our entrance slash furnace room. But this is the inside. Very, very classy, nice look. Here's our nether train selector system that I built. All my science is behind the wall, and the buttons with the lamps. He did all the decorative. I do like the red wall there. That does look nice. Then he's got hallways down to some of the people who built closer. Apparently there was a creeper explosion that took this out. And yeah, if you come out here, it's just lava. Lava and black walls. Black concrete walls. This is a 1.13 world. And he started a railway that way. And I have completed a railway going this way. That goes to our closest nether fortress we've been able to find. But I've been doing this. If you can see it, I think you guys can. Yeah, you guys can see it. I've been building glass up here on the nether ceiling in a black roof of all kinds of weird scrawlings. Scrawlings, is that scribbles? I don't know what to call them for sure, but bunch of weird symbols and shapes to be really strange. This area is really huge that we've got this area built in and cleared out for. So I was playing with different things on the ceiling here. Ribbons and weird thingamajiggies and pitchforks and zigzag zipper type things and just odd structures of glass in the ceiling. And if I like how I'm playing with different things, if I like how it looks, I'll build it in non-creative. But I just kind of am doing things like this. Just start building a shape, add some odd things onto the side. This particular one kind of looks like a wheat sprout. Cool. I have no reference for how I got there. And then I will build another one next to it, and that one looks like the letter J. See? There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm making these things. I'm just... clicking blocks. I don't have a clue what that thing looks like. Some alien or something. I don't know. But I'm not really trying to make anything look like anything. I'm just trying to make like freeform shapes. Just to kind of like non-English looking shapes. To make a strange roof. And then I just try to separate things off from each other so things are complete concepts by themselves. Then sometimes I just put dots in. Dots and dashes, just like for some reason somebody wrote Morse code on the bottom. There's no Morse code there. I'm not even really good with Morse code in all honesty. For all I know, I'm writing profanity, or I'm writing the happiest-go-lucky message in the world across the bottom here. I don't know. But yeah, this is my process. It's kind of a fun process in that of just kind of do stuff and see what you come up with. I would like to not be doing this quite as linear in a line. Try not to make as much of a line as I am, but I've found that kind of happens for me because of I will start working in a line across the whole thing because I don't want large black spots. Large spots without anything. It's kind of why I go back and I put the dots and the dashes in. Because I don't want a bunch of empty space going on. And then when I'm finished with this, I will fill this back up with lava on the top. It was filled with lava. And I was working from underneath with scaffolding, and I realized how stupid of a plan that was. I've been playing Minecraft since 1.710, and wow, I really realized how idiotic. You work on a nether ceiling project with lava over you. You have lava above you and below you. What should you do? Absolutely work from scaffolding with lava above you instead of not having lava above you, because you put the lava in and instead of just not having lava, let's put lava in and make it 10 times more difficult for you. How about we don't, and we just make a heck of a lot of buckets? And actually on this particular server we have a most people would call it a cheaty iron farm. We built the smaller iron farms that are used quite commonly, and we were on a Realm server, and we started to see some performance issues where the world wouldn't load. It was really odd, and we had to restore back up, and we lost some progress. So we decided that we just have a cheaty iron farm that we have now. Instead, it's a command block structure that just makes a flow of iron across an ice stream, and then you can stand in the ice stream and pick up as much iron as you want. I don't know if it was the entity loading of all the golems plus whatever else was going on in the world, but the actual spawn chunks where the iron farm was at would not load at one point, and it was very, very strange, in all honesty. Very strange. I've actually never seen that behavior before. I actually hope to never see it again, in all honesty. Because that was a very odd behavior that I just kind of was like, why are we having this behavior? See, that clearly looks like a key from Legend of Zelda. Was I intending that? No, not at all. But yeah, that's kind of my weird process to building this stuff. I think I'll put dash in there so it fills up that blank space there. But yeah, I plan to fill this whole crazy void here with this stuff. I go underneath, I take screenshots of stuff I like, and then I recreate it in vanilla. But yeah, even in my vanilla, in this world, I used MC Edit, which actually doesn't work for 1.13, so I had to revert it this map to a 1.12 map using another piece of software, which destroyed just a ton of structures because it removed all coral blocks. And then I recreated but I didn't have any of those blocks in the Nether, so it wasn't a big issue. So, and then I used MC Edit to remove the lava from up here. In the vanilla world, I have a lot of chests full of buckets because I have this all as lava source, and I'm not really sure why I have it all as lava source. I may not do that when I recreate it. In fact, it's probably stupid to do it when I recreate it because I have lava source, a single layer of lava source for the whole floor down there as well. Some areas that were already lava are multiple deep, but everything I did is single deep. It's really weird. We get these weird shadows down there that look like they're not lava, but they are lava. They look like islands in the lava, but there's no island there. But that's all. Just wanted to kind of show you what I was doing on this. Thank you for stopping by, and seeing my copy of the overworld, well, the Nether, and my crazy ceiling. I mean, we did kind of this whole section while I was talking with you, and that looks awesome. I like it. It looks like some kind of crazy maze or scrawlings of a madman. Yeah, I've been known to be a madman before. If we come over back by the building, you see where I started the scrawlings. And yeah. This is my crazy scrawlings. Apparently I made a J Happy Face D there. X4Y, and a guy from that original Kung Fu game from the original NES. Alright. There are things actually written in the ceiling if you look. I see you referencing a gas. There's some other references up here if you read my ceiling from the right direction. Yeah, there's a few. Some of them are clearer than others. The letters for the letters next to each other for the state I live in is here. All kinds of silly things that are here. There's an arrow pointing to the end, which actually shows you which way is north in the Nether, in case you need to know. Yeah, there's useful stuff up here. It isn't all the scrawlings of a madman, but some of it is. The karate guy is definitely the scrawlings of a madman. Just go. But anyway, this has been me, Kamikaze. Kamikaze is my username. I do this Minecraft thing. I do some other things. And I'm very inconsistent on my streams if you follow me, and I wish I was much more consistent, because I probably could make a job out of this, because I do like streaming, and I do have a lot of games that I could be streaming, but c'est la vie. Maybe if you guys decide to start sponsoring me, I might actually do this more. I do need to get a pop filter installed. I have heard the audio, and it's so. A pop filter would make a big difference, but I don't speak directly at my mic either. So I thought we'd probably be okay. See, I'm wrong. I'm kind of not the best at this YouTubing thing yet, but I'm learning. You watch some of my earlier videos, and these are much better. Hopefully I've just fixed my voice burn, and I don't end up talking any louder than this, or straight to the mic like this, which I'm starting to max out my audio, and you're probably hearing horrible crunches right now. But, like I said, trying to get better at this. Not always the best at this, but I really do try from time to time. You probably have a weird echo of a ghast right now, because I do have my speakers on while I'm streaming, and I normally just have my desktop audio, but I muted my desktop audio, so it should be okay, but I'm not sure. We'll just see how this one turns out. Trying a few different things, and seeing what works, see what doesn't work. But this has been Chaos with Kamikaze. Nether ceiling with Kamikaze, and I'm out. Y'all have a great one.